Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy Drawing and Painting channel. Today we are going to draw and color a cute rainbow piano. Let's start drawing. First time I draw the case of piano, like this. Please subscribe the channel. Then, I draw the shape of piano like this. Excellent! Looks good.
Around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all good fun. Off goes the weasel. A penny for his bullet bread. A twin's
Now,
for a
let's
needle.
start coloring.
That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The
Blue
monkey
color.
thought it was all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for his bullet bread. A tuppence for a needle. That's
Purple
the way
color.
the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
Pink color. Blue color. It's so beautiful.
All around the mulberry bush, the monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought it was all in good fun.
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you the next video.